If you have a dense 40-page PDF document, getting someone to actually read it is a challenge. But now you can effortlessly convert that boring, static text into a fluid, fully animated cinematic explainer video. This happens through NotebookLM's Cinematic Video Overviews update. Instead of a single text generator, it uses a 3-model AI stack, acting as a personal film crew. Gemini 3 is the text model that plans the narrative. Nano Banana Pro is the image model that generates the visual assets. And Veo 3 is the video model that animates those assets into fluid motion. Before starting, you need 2 things. First, an active Google AI subscription. Second, language settings set to English. A few days ago, turning a research paper into a video required hiring an editor, a motion graphics designer, and a voiceover artist. Now, anyone with the right subscription can generate high-end video production directly from their browser. Step 1 is getting your materials into the system. Open NotebookLM and create a new notebook to begin the ingestion process. You can upload a variety of source files. The system accepts PDFs, plain text files, Google Docs, and direct web links. The AI relies entirely on the quality of your input. Uploading structured documents or clear bulleted outlines will yield a much more coherent video script than providing a folder of disjointed random notes. There are strict limits to keep in mind. Each uploaded document must remain under 500,000 words and cannot exceed a file size of 200 megabytes. If the uploaded data is disorganized, the resulting story will be disorganized too. Document organization is the most critical phase of pre-production because it defines the boundaries of the AI storytelling capabilities. Once your sources are loaded, look for the Studio panel on your screen. This is where the media generation tools are located. The older video overview feature generated a series of static slideshows with a voice track. The new update replaces those static slides with continuous animation. Click the video tile to open the format menu. Explicitly choose Cinematic. Brief and explainer options provide structured summaries, but only Cinematic produces fully animated, immersive visuals. Clicking Cinematic elevates the AI from a simple text summarizer into an active visual director that makes editorial decisions about pacing and imagery. Do not hit Generate yet. First, click the Settings icon to open the customization box. Here, we will use a Cinematic Director prompt framework. This is a specific set of text instructions that establishes firm creative constraints for the AI models to follow. A short prompt leaves too much to the system. By typing a specific visual genre, like high-contrast film noir, you override the AI's defaults. Explicitly define your target audience and tone to ensure the script matches the visual style. Currently, there is no post-generation video editor available inside NotebookLM. Once the video is made, you cannot tweak individual clips or alter the timeline. Because you cannot edit the video after it renders, mastering this prompt box is your only opportunity to guarantee the final output meets your exact specifications. With your instructions locked in, execute the command by hitting the Generate button. Synthesizing fluid motion, rendering custom imagery, and timing a voiceover from scratch requires a heavy computational load. Expect this rendering process to take anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes. The software has not crashed. It is simply processing the data. This mandatory waiting period is the trade-off for replacing days of manual human labor with automated cloud computing. Once the progress bar completes, your final cinematic video will play directly within the NotebookLM interface. To extract your work, locate the download buttons on the playback screen. From there, you can save the final MP4 video file and the accompanying text transcript directly to your computer. By combining structured notes with specific directorial prompts, you have converted static, ignored text into a bespoke media asset. It is now ready to capture audience attention across any platform.